मम्मी
क्या हो बेटा? क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं, फिसल गया। वेलकम बैक। समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल। वी ट्राई टू डू वन एक्सपेक्टेशन वर्सेस रियलिटी वीडियो। तो उसमें तो हम पीट गए, कोई बात नहीं। रियलिटी में ऐसी होता है, सबके घर में ऐसी होता है। बट यू माइट हैव सीन द लास्ट मूव इन विच द एक्सपेक्टेशन वीडियो एंडेड. इट वाज अ लॉक, समथिंग लाइक दिस.
It is a deadly lock.
Deadly lock. Okay. So we are just going to give an introduction of the lock and let you practice on that. There are methods how to practice the technique, the movement, the footwork, and also the holding. So today we are going to look at वो last वाला lock था ना expectation video वाला, वो कैसे करेंगे. आओ. Before trying to learn the lock, sir, can you tell us what is the introduction? I mean, what should we keep in mind? How to approach the lock or something?
See, in the Kalari, we have a lot of locks that we say pidutam, right? The locks. In the locks, three things are very crucial thing, very important one. One is
Three factors, okay? Three factors keep in mind.
pidutam,
Eh?
pidutam. That is
The grip.
Grip.
It
Okay.
is a पिड़कम. Okay. Grip है पकड़ना पहली चीज. हाँ.
Yes. Then murukam.
और टाइट करना.
Yes.
Yes, you have to make it tight. The मुर्कम.
And of course matam. Matam of course the opponent can do, और जो आपको पकड़ने वाला वो भी कर सकते हैं.
So the third one was matam. So what is the meaning of that? Changing or something? How to move?
Yeah, how you move.
Okay, we have to move. We have to defend or we have to move for attacking.
Move for attack. Of course, the person who is being attacked, he can also do the same.
Okay, both people, the one who is attacking and the one who is trying to defend, both people have to keep this footwork and moving in mind. You have to move fast. That is how you can apply a lock or you can escape from a lock. मतलब हटना और उसे चले जाना, ये footwork ये बहुत ही important होता है. ये third aspect है. और कुछ है? और कुछ है? बताओ. तीन ही होते हैं. अच्छा, तो और कुछ तो नहीं होता? तीन ही होते हैं ना? चौथा तो नहीं है?
चौथा सारे बताओगे तुम भाग जाओगे. राज थोड़ी ना बताना है.
अरे सिखा दो.
अभी.
So the fourth bonus feature of how to study a lock and approaching this locking system is
Originally.
okay. So it's like escaping.
It is escaping, same as matam.
Okay, just like a movement, you have to move to attack or move to defend. This is more for defending.
Defending. One of the Sarpakat, I'll show you right now how you can
escape from that.
Yeah.
So it is kind of unlocking the lock and escaping from there. Lock में किसी ने lock कर लिया तो कैसे भाग जाना है? So to approach a lock, there are four aspects, and we are going to take, for example, one lock. What is the meaning? What is the name of this lock?
Sarpakat. It's like
two snakes tying it. I can't even. तो मतलब सांप जैसे पकड़ लेते हैं ना, ये एक डिफरेंट लॉक है, वो नहीं है जो हमने वीडियो में करा था, डिफरेंट है. ये एक एग्जांपल जैसे ले रहे हैं ताकि समझ पाए.
So the locks like this, there are plenty of locks in Kalarpai. The same thing cannot be applied to everybody, right? So we have to see the opponent, whether he is a slim one or a solid person like this.
Solid.
Sarpakat, come on. Suppose you are hitting on the
Temple.
a temple. Okay. Hit. Okay. Hit here. Yeah. This person is, I told you, he is very strong in this case.
Okay, now I understand. There is a limitation. मतलब ये जो होता है आधा ज्ञान होता है ना, वो ज्यादा खतरनाक होता है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि सेम चीज आप सब पे नहीं लगा सकते. आपने सब कुछ सीखना है. जैसे
But there is a way.
there is a way.
How it is? If I hit, I can hit the place where his body is loosened. And again he can do it like this.
Okay.
This is Sarpakat.
Otherwise, usually my hand is tough for bending it over here.
Yeah.
But you can make the body so. You have to understand all aspects, only then apply. Okay, so ये बात थी.
Yeah. Right? Come on.
Okay, I'm trying to escape from here. Okay, you have to understand, study all parts, everything should be in your mind, how to lock and how to escape. So very simple. Moving from this direction anti-clockwise with. ऑलमोस्ट मतलब वही था. गंदा हो गया पेपर गंदा. कोई बात नहीं, फिर से करेंगे.
Okay. Here, I locked him.
यस ओके. सो पहले अभी मैंने क्या करने चाहा था वो दिखाता हूँ. ये ऐसे करना है, यहाँ से पुश कर सकते हैं, किक कर सकते हैं, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. Coming to the main topic, the last technique we used in the expectation video, we are going to reveal that lock. How to do that lock? Sir, क्या करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, वो lock वाला कैसे होगा?
Kalari versus Karate, we did one lock.
That was
Yeah,
more
the
like
same thing I am using here. The last
along with the
along with the strike and something we will not show the strike here. The end of the part I'll show you. Okay, come on. Now he
attacked. It was a position in which I did a
did it like
kick.
and then you hit it here like this.
Okay, after that I
And
was
pop
moving.
like that.
Yes.
Like, it's coming here. So what I did it
पास आओ दिखेगा नहीं, पास आ जाओ.
like in karate, we do sort of exercise like this. The exercise you can use it hit here,
Okay.
right?
But you have to be fast, right? Very
yeah,
fast here.
Very fast. Then yeah. That.
Okay. दिखा दो. ए कैमरा को दिखा. एक मिनट रुको.
See here, somebody hit the temple. Yeah. Again. Kick.
You have to be very fast.
Temple. Okay. So the same technique I use. Have one here. Yes. The same technique.
हाँ जी, तो ये मोमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसके साथ ये जरूर आना चाहिए. ये नहीं आया तो पूरा सब कुछ वेस्ट है, कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. क्योंकि ये एक तरीके से आप हर अपोनेंट के सामने, जैसे हमने बोला, हर अपोनेंट के सामने यू कैन नॉट अप्लाई दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबडी, नॉट इन ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ सिचुएशंस. Only when it is successful, you can see some success in the technique. Like there is a person is off balance, he's doing a weird kind of punch like that. A martial artist does not punch like this. A martial artist will go on and punch like this, and you cannot escape from punch like that. So, but if we are in a situation where we can use this, so it becomes easy. You can come over here. You can also use a shoulder strike over here, right? And from there, it is like using this one. Yes, and there is a point over here, you catch it, and from the back side we are going to use this one, pushing this over there, and from back supporting. It's kind of lock, not revealing the actual thing.
पूरा रिवेंज ले रहा है.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, हो पहले वीडियो में मेरे साथ किया था, मैं नहीं करूँगा. ये देखो, ये ऐसे होता है और यहाँ से ऐसा आता है. इसके साथ आप हाथ ऐसे लगा के देखो, मैंने बोला था ना, ये हाथ इतना मोटा लट्ठे के जैसे लगा रखा है, तो इससे पूरा हाथ कवर नहीं हो रहा. देखो सबके साथ नहीं कर सकते, फिर भी आप यहाँ से ये और ये काफ़ी है, लेकिन फिर भी आपको जाना है तो पूरा भी जा सकते हैं, तो उससे ऐसे भी हो जाएगा. लेकिन प्रैक्टिस जरूर करना है, वरना इसके बदले क्या हो जाएगा, ऐसे बाहों में चले आओ सुन. तो भाई लोग, इस वीडियो से हमने सबसे ज़्यादा क्या सीखा, सेम चीज़ हर किसी पे अप्लाई नहीं होती. टाइम करेक्ट होना चाहिए, टाइमिंग होनी चाहिए, है कि नहीं. अपोनेंट यू हैव टू एनालाइज, बिकॉज दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, राइट. You cannot study one thing and go on in the world and trying that. You have to know everything. You have to know everything. You have to know a lot. How to change, how to improvise. So that is important. Time के हिसाब से, opponent के हिसाब से कैसे हमने अपना mindset change करना है. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and घर में practice करती रहिए. और क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने फ़ोन को ऐसे लॉक कर दो और दूसरी उंगली से subscribe the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, press the bell icon.